AlgoAlpha's zero lag trend signals is designed to make trend direction easier to read by reducing the delay that often comes with traditional moving averages. Instead of waiting for a slower signal to catch up after the move has already developed, it uses a zero lag EMA as the foundation, then combines that with volatility bands to create a trend framework that reacts more quickly while still filtering out weaker fluctuations. At the center of the indicator is the zero lag EMA, which is built to respond faster than a standard moving average by adjusting for part of the usual lag. That line becomes the main trend reference, but it is not used on its own. The indicator surrounds it with adaptive bands based on ATR, or average true range, and a band multiplier, which means the trend state is only meant to change when price pushes far enough beyond the baseline to show more than a minor fluctuation. This gives the tool a more structured feel because it is not reacting to every small movement around the average. The way trend is defined is quite direct. When price breaks above the zero lag line plus the volatility threshold, the trend shifts bullish. When price breaks below the line minus that same threshold, the trend shifts bearish. This helps separate a genuine change in direction from ordinary market noise. The length and band multiplier settings matter here because they control how smooth or reactive the indicator becomes. A wider band can make the trend state more selective, while a narrower band can make it react faster but with less filtering. The visual layout also makes the tool easier to follow. The main line changes color with the active direction, and larger arrows appear when the broader trend state flips. Smaller arrows are then used for entry-style signals when price crosses back through the zero lag line in the direction of the existing trend. That distinction is useful because it separates a full trend change from a continuation opportunity inside the same directional move. In practical terms, one part of the indicator is helping define the regime, while another is helping highlight where price may be rejoining it. Another useful feature is the multi-timeframe table. The indicator checks the same bullish or bearish state across several additional timeframes and displays that reading in a compact summary. That gives more context around whether the current move is aligned with the broader picture or whether it is pushing against it. When several timeframes are pointing the same way, the market read usually becomes cleaner. When they are mixed, it often suggests that the trend is less settled or that the local move may still be developing. This indicator can also become more useful when it is built into a broader chart process rather than treated as a standalone signal. For example, it can work well with MAVLIM-W as a broader trend filter, or with tools such as FVG volume profile and smart money structure when the aim is to judge whether a pullback, imbalance, or structure shift is forming in line with the active trend rather than against it. Used this way, the indicator becomes less about reacting to arrows and more about organizing trend confirmation inside a wider trading framework. In practice, zero lag trend signals works best as a trend and confirmation tool. It helps show when direction is changing with enough force to matter, when price is rejoining that direction, and whether the move is lining up with the broader market picture.